Okay, for today we are going to not this one, sorry. We are going to continue our discussion to the section C, number 2C. Kan? Betul tak? Betul. Okay. So what we have over here, Nisha has purchased 5,500 unit of share K. Okay. So we have two different types of share over here. Okay. So 5,500 share K and we have 12,000 of share M. Okay, worth this one, 10,000 will be for share K and 18,000 for share M. In June, Nisha sold all the share. She got 7.25% return of investment for share K. Okay, share K. 7.25% ROI. Which it is 1.3%. Tiba-tiba ada 1.3%. More than siapa? More than return of investment of share M. The questions. Calculate the total. Pensan? Allah Akbar. Angkat. Okay. Sorry. Kat mana tadi? Okay. Calculate the total return she obtained from the share M. Okay. We are going to find the total return. Okay. So if you look from the questions here, many of you didn't understand the question. What did the question give? Okay, that's why I put all the highlight there to differentiate between our share K and share M. Okay, first thing, what did the question give to us? Okay, is the unit of share K. Okay, how many unit of share K and the price. Okay, we look at share K first. Share K, she purchased 5,500 unit. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, the price that she paid here is 10,000. Then what we have is share M. Okay, she bought for 12,000 units and the price she paid is 18,000. That's from the first paragraph. You must understand that one first. Okay, next, in June. Means that after she bought, okay, Nisha sold all the share. Means that for share K and share M, she sold. Okay. For share K, okay, we still go for share K over here. It say over here 7.25% of our ROI. Isn't it? Okay. Which it is. This one I highlight with the green one because it doesn't belong to share K or share K or share M. Okay, it says over here 1.3% more than ROI of share M. Did the question give to us ROI for share M? No. But what we have over here, that share K is going to be 1.3% more. So can I find ROI for share M? How? Yes, 7.25 we are going to minus with 1.3. It's not 1.3, it's going to be our ROI here, okay? So, use your calculator. 5.95%. This is what must you get from the second paragraph there. ROI. If you didn't have that one, bye-bye. Okay. The question, the third paragraph over here. Okay, calculate the total return. Not the ROI, total return. From our question, did the question give us the formula for ROI? Did the question give the formula for ROI, girls? No. 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 Okay. So, you must know that how to get ROI? Total return over initial investment. Okay. If you are going to find ROI, we are going to have total return over our initial what? Investment. Don't forget what? Times with 100%. Because why? Because ROI must be in percentage. Okay. Because the question is asking for us to find the total return for share M. Okay, to find the share M over here, what must I do? If you look from the information given that we abstract from the question, where should be our initial investment? Of course lah, ROI, okay, sorry. ROI first. ROI will be 5.95. We are going to look for share M. Okay, so you are going to put here 5.95 equals to. Okay, by using the formula here. Okay, so did we have our total return? No, that's what we want to find. So I'm going to put over here as, of course lah, X lah. Can? Because we didn't have the value, you can put total return also, can, no problem, no harm for you. Okay, over. Which one is going to be initial investment for share M? Yes, this one, 18,000. So you are going to put here 18,000. Then what should you do? Times by? Yes, times by 100% first, isn't it? If you look over here, this is going to be 5.95% or so, isn't it? So what should I do over here? We are going to bring what? 18,000, this one divide, bring to the left side, times 100, bring to the left side, divide. So you are going to have for your total return here, which is I put there X. Total return for share M is going to be 5.95 times 18,000 divided by 100. So 0. Yes, this is going to be 1071 is our answer. Done. 3 marks given, where you are going to have over here for 1 marks, and then for this one you are going to have 1 marks, and final answer over here will be 1 more marks given. Any question? Clean and clear. Is it clear? How to find our total return? First of all, for my advice, after you read from the question, the situation given, take out what? The information. You are not reading novel here. Okay? Okay. We are going to proceed to our next questions, number 3A. Okay, before I answer this one, I'm going to take first the picture here. Okay. Why? Because I want to put it here, one, and the second one I'm going to put beside here. Okay, we are going to look at our first one. Based on the right angle triangle above. This one above saya dah letak tepi tu We are going to tick only. This one supposedly not in section B, section C lah. Right? So easy. Betul-betul. Okay, no problem lah. Okay. So, we are going to look over here for our trigo. For trigo, please don't remember about, please don't remember. So, ka, toa. Don't remember, okay? Sarcastic lah. Okay. Okay. Jangan kau. Okay. So we are going to look, yes girls, anything that I can help with you. Because just now switch place. Okay. So we are going to look for sine 30 degree. So we know we are going to use what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so where's 30 degree? Over here. So opposite first. Where is opposite? 1. Which one is hypotenuse? 2. So you are going to get 1 over 2. Okay, by using solve. Then yang ni pun soalan dia buat dalam bahasa Melayu, tak apalah. Okay, cos 30 degree. So cos here we are going to use kah. Adjacent. Did we have adjacent here? Yes, over here adjacent. Square root of 3 over hypotenuse will be 2. So this is going to be our answer, the second box there. Just tick. Janganlah kata-kata nak pergi letak sini ni salah pula No need. Okay, next one. Can I proceed? Can. Easy one. Okay, next. That's why I use two diagram here. Okay. We are going to look at our toa. Toa here, you are going to look what? This one is 60 degrees. So toa is going to be opposite, will be square root of 3 over adjacent. This is going to be opposite. This is going to be adjacent. Square root of 3 over 1, isn't it? Tak ada jawapan cikgu. Yang ada 1 over square root of 3. This one actually, inilah. Anything divided by 1, you are going to get that number, isn't it? So the answer will be the first box over here. Okay, next we are going to look at cos 60 degree. Kah. So, ubah warna lah pula. Sorry. Over here. Okay, so it's going to be adjacent and hypotenuse. A and H over here, 1 over 2. 4 marks given for 1 correct answer. Can, girls? Can. Thank you. Next. Okay, fill in the blanks with the symbol less than or more than. Only. 2 symbol only. Jangan ada yang kata-kata pergi tambah dengan apa? Less than and equals, more than and equals. Tak ada pun dia bagi. Advance kau. Okay. This one. How did we want to find? Yes, use your weapon here. First, alamak, sorry. Tangent 30 degree. We are going to find tangent 30 degree. Equals. Macam mana nak cari dia? Yang ni yang saya tak suka calculator ni. If I want to find itu, mana ni? This one. Isn't it? Okay. Sorry lah, saya tak familiar. Saya familiar dengan saya punya 570 ms. Okay. So this one, tangent 30, you are going to get 0.577. Okay. So 0.577. Tangent 45, we are going to have over here, delete 45 equals 1. So which one is more bigger over here? This one. This is the symbol. Tangent 30 will be less than tangent 45. I also don't know why it's difficult. Isn't it? Next, cos 45. Just press equal SD 0.7 okay, 3 lah. 0.7 Okay, next. Cos 60 degree. Okay, delete 60. You are going to get 0.5. So which one is more bigger? Cos 45 degree. Next, sin dia dah masuk. Sin 60 degree. You are going to get 0.866. 0.866. Sin 90 degree. 1. So, less than, isn't it? Okay, so I stop here first, can girls? Can. How